Hey, what's up everybody? I don't know if I made a video about this or not, but this Wago clamp deal, um, I don't have the link for it, but you can actually go to their website and request a free sample, and it'll take a little while. It'll take a little while to get in the mail, but I did receive them, and I gotta tell you, dude, this is a game changer. This is an absolute game changer for me. This is meant for house wiring. Okay, this is meant for you to connect this type of relatively heavy duty house wire into these little clips. And the beauty of this is you can use any size clip and they lock down like this, and so it's secure, right? Once you get it in there, it's secure. And if you screw up, you just take it off, unlatch it. It's absolutely brilliant. They're high quality. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way, in any way, shape, or form. I wish I was. Dude, this is a game changer. One, you can use this for house wiring, but number two, if you're building a rat rod where you've got a bunch of different stuff and you want to run them off different switches, you got a ton of options. So connecting two wires that are dissimilar sizes, this can't be easier, right? So now you just, you got two of these, stick one in on that side, lock it down, put one in on this side, lock it down. You kind of get the idea here. So now you can fuse two wires together in line perfectly. You can wrap this in electrical tape if you want to make it totally waterproof. And then if you screw up, it's reusable. Fantastic. And then let's say you want to run a bunch of stuff in parallel, right? Where you've got a bunch of, like positives and negatives. Well, now you can run 4 or 5 positives together and then have one go out to your battery, or, a bunch of negative leads together and then run that to your ground. So, and then they got these little things, which, I mean, in a car, probably not that useful. You can probably mount these somewhere. But you can, they sell these little devices, these little racks or cartridge or whatever you want to call it, but you can put them all together. And man, this is a real game changer for me. I can't say enough good stuff about this. I was really skeptical, because I was like, yeah, whatever, cheap plastic garbage. But these are not junk at all. These are really high quality. I would compare them to the quality of like Legos. They really feel like they were made at the Lego factory. Anyway, man, I can't give this enough credit. This is fantastic. I went to Lowe's and Home Depot, and they have similar products to this for like quickly splicing stuff together, but it doesn't even come close. It just doesn't, because the wire is recessed. Like, it doesn't clip in the front here where like my nail is. The latching mechanism is actually way down here, so it's kind of protected, if you know what I mean. And you can use different size wires and connect. So, if you've got 3 different items that all had different wiring harnesses, you can connect them all with no stress. And again, just wrap it in some electrical tape or something if you really want to keep dust out or anything, or waterproof it. And but the fact that it's reusable is fantastic, because I mean, you know how it is. You put something on your car, you use it for a few years, you want to upgrade it. Well, now you don't have to throw these away, and they were not terribly expensive. I don't remember the price, but anyway, Wago's the name. Fantastic. 2 thumbs up.